Your voice and right long you now you stand up strong together. You make love and know what to know ya. What to move now ya.
Good morning, more welcome to first update law 2024 National Referendum Media Center, and also we've been having law updates yesterday. Say by you may continue to update them people Vanuatu, or you will you stop join them a Facebook page belong 2024 National Referendum. Look at the developments, look at the work where stuff happen, especially today time where people Vanuatu come cast them vote look at the long this for the first ever national referendum after long 44 years. Republic of Vanuatu. Inside long update here by join them company Plemis Alasumbe with them Madam Olivia blow stop with them Yumi Lodis for update, and also give him look at the latest information lo site long on the activities for voting where stop taking place throughout Vanuatu. Weather lo Port Villa lo today hemi cloudy, small showers lo morning here, but people only already saw him pick for interest plus have continue to vote. Look at the different polling stations, and also more time 7:30 polling stations only open, and you got look at the different people or the different polling stations will stop finish plus have open them doors block at the morning plus have start them off at polling or get allowing people to have go vote. And Olivier, you've been stop the morning lo some look at the polling stations around town. Port Villa, you look say you got plenty people only some interest to vote finish lo some polling station you pass the morning.
Yes, lo. Good morning, everyone. Lo police station lo imi today lo morning where you may been pass lehem lo town hall lo you may lo Port Villa Municipal Council. You may and look him say you may witness him all kita big man lo you may today all come lo custom vote all kita also His Excellency President of the Republic Nike Bravo the First Lady. You may got to Deputy Prime Minister Blo you may lo leader of government where me come and me Prime Minister Honorable Charles Salwai tabi mas with them Madam Salwai to been coming after we head of state and me custom vote blehem. Follow with them Deputy Prime Minister Blo me too where and me been come with them family member blehem too Blo li sabe exercise them right pagkata di telo morning. O kata na oli been start them all face for la vote Blo me lo capital city Port Villa. You make a two all members blo electoral commission while he join them all get a big man limited the morning. So all get a leader blo country only start them all first vote blo yumi long Port Villa city lo yumi lo today time where polling station have been open lo 7:30 long morning mohemi time where every polling station only should open lahem for them election low blow you me time where you may go through low one polling day blow you me also today where me 29 May 2024 where me national referendum election day blow you me. So hemi now you look him hemi head of states where hemi been coming so first one lo you me lo country blow hemi go through lo process blow save putum vote blahem mo make him choice blahem also one citizen belong country. So hamena mi sample update where you miss have give him lo today lo site lo polling station lo you mi lo Port Villa city sale hamena you mi save historian molhem no forget them too all katablo electoral commission where all members too been coming today too blo vote them putum vote lo katalo.
Yes, and you be looking His Excellency the President and me vote with them First Lady with them will have head of government and me two people where only been make one strong sing out to call the people Vanuatu, every citizen Vanuatu must participate long this for national referendum long this year 2024, and of course I mean on public holiday throughout Vanuatu. I mean him say every workman you follow where you follow work. I mean today government I mean declare him also one holiday blow give him Chinese lo you me everyone blow make him duty blow you me custom vote. And think about say election here me blow vote you know savvy you some blue card or red card, or suppose you stop overseas you know savvy you some passport blow you vote you must use some no more national ID card blow you. Suppose you got issues with the national ID card, office plus civil registration, identification management, and me open today. Suppose you start Port Villa. Suppose you start outside Port Villa, make them sure you go show up the polling station for you, tell them what situation for you with them one presiding officer or get the polling clerks, or get all this assisting you. Plo you have a custom vote plo you. Lo day plo today think about me one constituency and you Mr. Paskem everybody plo only call lo polling station plo kata or suppose you no stop lo polling station where you register lahem pe call one polling station call us up plo you. Me thank you lo company plo you and stay tuned me come back after a short break. Please me sorry for more update long election which start taking place overseas too.
All beginning blong you, all is stop school yet? All beginning blong you, all is start work finish? One day, time you no more stop. You think the beginning blong you, but him stop good? You must have it, say future blong beginning blong you, and Mr. blong hand blong you. Long 29 May 2024, and me time blong you must vote. From future, blong all beginning blong country. Vote blong you, and me voice blong you.
Welcome back, long 2024 National Referendum Media Center, Facebook update, election update, which are taking place this time, long Convention Center, Port Villa, and one for the message, me like him, encourage him, everyone remind them, everyone duty, more right here, blame me to block custom vote, blame me to long today, 29 May 2024. And think about say, every no one election where me come every 4 years. Every election, you may vote in one candidate or one party, you may wait suppose also and then you may vote back and have 4 years, upload change him or continue with them candidate. But for this referendum, national referendum or referendum election, he may come one time no more and he may change him law. And he may very important block him think blue you give him think blue you inside law Chinese law where parliament law republic law vano to me pin pass and finish long parliament and now you come you me people you me come in tell him think blue you me whether you me agree law Chinese or no got this national referendum. You me out equal Fiji or get a polling boxes or get a ballot boxes or you arrive finish lo Fiji and election and Mr. Kickoff finish lo morning here. You got 2 places lo Fiji where election is taking place lehem. 1 lo Suva, mo 2 hemelo nandi. Now yeah, but you me training presiding officer where me base lo Suva, but give him one update to you me lo election will start taking place long Fiji.
Okay, good morning lo Yumi. Me flalo Fiji. Polling station and me open finish. All preparation and me ko good lo morning finish. All presiding officers lo Yumi lo to polling station lo Nandi with them so far only prepare every something lo morning finish all polling clerk every polling clerk with them all first officer with them polling clerk 3 with them all queue controller everyone will stop inside the polling station naya polling station and me on finish all people will start come inside lo all staff vote ballot box semitin arrive come lo Fiji safely and me fly start go ahead naya lo voting and start continue. Fiji emika 2 polling station. One emistalo sofa. Polling station where emistalo sofa emistalo I commission building no more. After I got 1 lo nanti, emelo nanti emistap lo tropical plaza lo second floor antap. Lo matintar lo emelo nanti. All IT cards play me full up. Me pin stop ceremony ticket yesterday finish full polipin come from all some lo IT cards lo kita pe majority me still cut with me today. So me Mr. Apili kolo every students where you know come collect them IT card yet please make sure say you come forward come collect them IT card you plo you sabe olem plo you sabe vote with them na. Mr. Apili kolo every people, every students, mo every citizen lo Vanuatu where you Mr. Reside, mo you Mr. School, lo or work lo VG, please make sure say you may everyone must come forward, lo you become vote. Referendum ya may really important that you may everyone must participate lehem. Please come forward. You may where you may never vote. Please, you know things by you know have a vote. At least you must get one national ID card. Suppose where you know you got national ID card, pay you know register yet, you know stop them you blow you know have a vote. By you have a vote. So please come forward by got one sheet we only provide them, blow only write them down name to you and let them you go vote. So please every people, every students play me of Fiji. Suppose you start close up nanti polling station, please go forward. Ale yumi we yumi stalo suva, please come forward. Lo yumi vote. Lo exercise them right yumi we constitution and give him yumi lo yumi save vote today. Expectation plo me lo yumi lo suva yumi start expect them plo more than 400 students also pali should come lo likam custom votes lo kita today lo suva polling station. After you may stop lo Nandi polling station, you may expect them lo ikat around 200 students mo all workmans play me. We only stop lo na only stop part lo Nandi mo only stop part lo different university or part lo Nandi lo. You may expect them about 200 plus also to come forward to come custom vote to kita tete mo tomorrow when we last polling day. So polling station may open finish today lo 9 o'clock. And polling station pa mi stop today kasi polling day pa polling station pa mi open today kasi lo 5 o'clock and pa open pa again tomorrow lo 9 o'clock mo pa mi close lo 5 o'clock pa again. So you make at last day tomorrow. So Mr. Apili kolo everyone you where you know come yet today or you where you got class today, please make an effort to you go lo one polling station lo one lo tubla polling station ya tomorrow lo you go custom vote you from tomorrow and me last day lo you me vote. Thank you Thomas.
Thank you, Hemana Hemi, presiding officer belong polling station Blue Sufa where we base lo Fiji. Mr. Roger Daniel tahem Mr. Kivim update long all get the progress long election voting where stop taking place this time long Fiji. And you heard Mr. Daniel and me come in but amount say got over 400 students or even not two will stop lo Fiji where Hemi minim say you may stop expect them samples lo 400 or more lo custom vote lo get that today lo part inside the national referendum. Important announcement, suppose you one student where you start watch lo Fiji or even not two stop lo Fiji we not take me ID card to you. Hem important local get the presiding officer you got one lo suva mo one lo nandi lo you sabe collect them card to you before you sabe vote. And think about say lo Fiji, Mr. Daniel and Mrs. Kamin to confirm him say he got 2 days of election. Hem at today, Wednesday number 29, mo tomorrow Thursday number 30. Lo manisia May 2024 start lo 9 o'clock lo morning kasem 5 o'clock long afternoon. You mean Australia or New Zealand information we kasemia and me pre-get elections and me continue kasem weekend but you mean Vanuatu election hemi lot today no more and me mean say you where you stop kolosab lo one polling station go mo custom vote you mo think about pa can too lo you mean we stop overseas passport you know save you sum vote lehem you must use some national ID card.
Yes, you may come back again lo or kata polling update you me lo all island you me lo Vanuatu. Yes, so some with today only day where you me kat blo you me lo Vanuatu blo you me save ko custom vote you me lo day blo today. You me come lo island lo West Amrem lo West blo Amrem you me kat report kam lo AA where me area administrator bong masi. Me update you me lo site lo kita polling station where me open lo island, especially the western part lo island ya, lo Bayap, where we just open after lo 8 o'clock from where only kat led arrival blow kita ballot box well is supposed blow stop before 7:30 blow polling station emi open. I make him say polling station emi open late. Emi no stop mol kita blow lisave go ahead with them normal operation blow polling station blow mi blow li open lo day blow today. So West Hamre Malone emi kat 6 polling station. We bamba yumi ol kita vote yumi we yumi eligible blow vote lo island yumi lo Amrem especially lo West. Yumi ka time full day today, kasem lo afternoon blow yumi save ko custom vote blow yumi blow exercise right blow yumi blow decide them future blow tomorrow. Hemi yumi lo island lo Ambrem, yumi ko lo island lo Pama, yet lo Malampa province, yumi kat 6 polling station 2 way only open today lo normal time lo 7:30 lo allow mo kita people only save ko o kata we only take part lo process lo polling station. Sem all AA we all kita now only stap karamot befla work lo yumi lo community lo yumi kat AA lo Pama area council where me Willie Cyrus have been reported today lo morning say polling station emi open la 7:30 be yet yumi no karamina people only turn up la 7:30 be yumi appeal lo people lo yumi lo Pama say polling station by me open full day, which is me give him right lo yumi save go yet custom lo afternoon lo yumi ko custom vote lo yumi. Hemiana mi yumi save give him update little bit lo Tufla Island yumi lo Malampa province by yumi go through lo all different information where yumi save kat lo give him lo site lo all registered voter lo yumi throughout lo country lo all different provinces lo yumi where by yumi emi kamotin a long time lo screen lo yumi save kat one idea lo total registration lo kita eligible voters lo yumi throughout lo all 6 pala province lo yumi.
Yes, so lo screen lo you lo this morning, but you have a look him lo Toba province, you make at one total belong just over long 6,400 more 88 voters were only eligible to vote, more likat all kita ID card wali save vote, lo province lo yumi lo Sanma, ikat one total lo 37,900 more 10 people were only eligible to vote, more likat one national ID card, lo province lo yumi lo Panama, one total belong 18,500 more 14 people were only eligible to vote, more likat one national ID card. Lo Malamba province, you make at one total belong 25,800 more 85 people were only eligible to vote, more only kat ID card. Lo province Plimi lo Shefa, big fala number lo place, you got one total plus 75,500 more 57 people were only eligible to vote, more only kat ID card. And to Lo Tafea province, you make at one total belong 200 or 24,000 rather, 24,800 more 50 people were only eligible to vote, more all get two only cat national ID card. And Olivia, you may have say cat navla some lol numbers here might only stop overseas too, and you may stop expect them one you may have them finish him up Fiji whereby cat some there's 400 people only vote low way, but you may have two say cat over low 10,000 ni Vanuatu only stop long Australia, more two you may cat hemia we colosab ikasem 6,000 ni Vanuatu two only stop long New Zealand. Lol families play lo New Caledonia, Olivia. You know, voting hemi wait yet for them situation?
Yes, voting I mean no have taken place yet from a situation lo ground I mean no allow them voting I mean have taken place, but hopefully you miss have caravan update lehem later on. You make a talk at student look at our repatriate them take back lo Vanuatu where all get to eligible really have a vote. So I mean I'm a situation lo New Caledonia. And while you start talk about voting, I mean could you may come back again, you remind them you me how long you miss have a vote. So you make one short break, help them you me back again. Remind them you where you no go vote yet, go through lehem, and then by you survey how no you survey vote, make custom vote play lo day but today.
Hello, name me Rotsa. You mistakat one national referendum whereby me happen lo 29 May. And me important to mas you me everyone in mas save how plong vote. Naya pa you me go through lo how plo vote. Hello.
Hello. Pass my ID card please come by me check your name you inside the electoral roll.
Vote long you, me voice long you.
Now yeah, but you go pass to another officer.
Voice ting ting blong you me. One referendum, anytime long you me make him join.
me two set lo ballot paper with an envelope you. You current go inside lo polling booth. So you agree lo amendment away stap. You choose them green 17A or 17B. You fold them. You put them inside lo envelope. So you know agree lo dula amendment away stap. You choose them red 17A or 17B. You fold them. You put them inside lo envelope. Then you come back to sekarang ID card please.
Thank you, Thomas. Okay, now I'm ready to go vote. So suppose when me agree with them to amendment, I me karama to green, me fold them lo half. After me put them me go inside lo envelope. I me pull out seal lo place here. Me seal him. After or left of ballot papers, pa me squeeze him, me saka me color rubbish. Now me ready lo go custom vote. Suppose we me no agree with them to amendment, pa me karam to red. Me fold them lo half. After me put me go inside lo envelope. Pa me seal him good envelope lo me. Or left of ballot papers pa me karen me squeeze him. Me saka me color rubbish. Naya vote lo me ready lo ko custom vote lo me.
Please put them left thumb please inside lo ink. Okay, straighten ID card please.
Thank you, Thomas.
Good.
Emi now out pa mi vote lo referendum we emi stakam. Emi important to mas every man, woman, mo all kata with them special need. You me come forward lo exercise them right lo lo vote lo referendum lo number 29 May. Vote long you emi voice long you.
Welcome back. Hemena mi also wanem plo you custom vote plo lo today mo lo weekend lo you follow we stop overseas plo taking part inside the national referendum. Emi no all time plo you me two together Torres Kasemanaichum lo you me to come in plo taking part plo make him one decision taking part the decision plo change him one law but this time hemi one first time lo Vanuatu mo two by all time plo cut one kind election or seminar so me very important plo you mo me you make him duty plo you me two right here with mama law plo you me to hemi give him play me to call custom vote, play me to tell them think, play me to lo Chinese lo lawyer with parliament, hemi pass him finish. Lo parliament, mo today you missed up call lo referendum from. Suppose you fast you confused, some you confused or something time you got some polling station. No worry, you got one or two electoral office, you got to get the team, play him while you stop long, or get the presiding officers with them, or get the polling clerks, while navla, while you stop inside all different polling stations, play you me, while you survey help him, you me to play me to survey also one employee vote. Now for them some update we make some polling stations finish where you make come and get the information we stop Casimir. Time you enter the polling station play you but you look service by got some less two different kind of lines. You got the one where hemi all get where polling station play you place you come you register the place you vote. Navla line hemi blow all get where only no register the place but only come in only vote. So it's very important say you choose some straight line blow you follow them blow you custom vote blow you and me believe say experience we make us or some story and we make us some member blow team will go vote finish the morning you come here or you got the fast process especially you me love line you me hope say same kind speed also me now you stop taking tool on Navla Islands play me throughout Vanuatu. Now, yeah, by me crossover equal long Australia, plus I will find them out election progress. But just before you find them out update or take them update, blow election we start taking place now, yeah. By you me talk first one with them, by you me harem talk long one presiding officer where he call on behalf of Vanuatu electoral office, he stop Australia, blow preside over some polling station, blow this for election, blow referendum. Mr. David Batunvanu, by he come in, blow give him blow you all get a place a straight exact location, blow different polling station across Australia.
Morning all geta. Information mi blo yumi all geta walkman where yumi stop around Australia. Mo yumi interest plus survey also wanem by yumi survey participate lo referendum. Referendum by taking place lo 13 polling station everyone all around Australia. Pami ko through lo list lo polling station we stop. Wete mo address lo place pa you survey suppose you survey access em lo ko lo exercise em right to lo vote. And I start tomorrow ko kasem lo Sunday. Now lo Queensland lo here you make at one polling station long way, address the polling station and 39 Street, Home Hill, Narawan Pakakan lo Queensland and lo Innisfail, address lo Innisfail and 63, 67 Rankin Street, Narawan and lo Mariba, address lo Mariba and 39A Pine Street, Narawan lo Bundaberg, address lo Bundaberg and Bundaberg Town Hall, lo Toowoomba, address Platumba and 68 James Pine Road. Monaya you move come town lo Queens lo New South Wales. You make at Kofsaba, address lo Kofsaba and 123 Pacific Highway Kofsaba. You make at lo Sydney and Street lo Town Hall, Church Street. After you make lo Victoria, you make at lo Melbourne City Street. You make at lo address lo Melbourne City and 152 Chapel Street, St Kilda. After you make at one lo Shepparton, and lo Shepparton, ME 62A, Penila Road, Shepparton, mo you make at one lo Mildura, address lo Mildura, ME 137 7th Street. After you make at lo ACT, Australia Capital Territory, by lo Canberra Street, address lo Canberra, ME 29 Flinders Ways. After you make at lo Tasmania, you make at two places lo Tasmania, one lo Hobart and 21 Lucaston Road. After you make at lo Launceston, address plan Kersey Hall 67 Main Street. Now wanem na lo ba you karem lo kasabay kam vote. Karem ID card lo yun, national ID card lo Vanuatu, aita emi valid o expired. Come tomorrow, 29 May, start lo 5 o'clock lo afternoon, so kasem lo 9 o'clock. Mo same time mo sem lo day way follow mo sem kasem lo Saturday mo Sunday. You have information ya o video ya, please pass them lo friend mo family lo you all around Australia. Well, you have access mo polling station ya lo part lo referendum. Good luck.
So I'm talk lo David Patunvanu where you may been survey manage lo karam update la hem lo yesterday. Lo update them you meet today lo kita walkway kita lista make him lo Australia. So you mean lo Australia yet mi inokat one more where hemi stop lo web lo support them kita ni Vanuatu well stop lo vote lo day but today. You make two Antoine Malsungai where hemi join him team hemi stop overseas too lo hemi support lo all work lo site lo election day lo today mo all day we stop come. So by you make one update lo wanem now Antoine mi save talamot lo email kita walkway mi been happen mo ready from a day lo today.
Okay, thank you too much. Good morning lo you everyone. We me stop look lo update lo election. Just for information lo you no more lo Australia. We'll get a ballot box where you may suppose you may use them today or the referendum. You may manage you may put them we'll get a ballot box here come lo one polling station and lo Australia you may get one polling station lo Mildura, lo Melbourne, lo Shepparton, lo Mariba, lo Innisfail, lo Stantop, mo lo Toowoomba. So every polling station yeah, all ballot box lo kada kasem one place ya finish. And start lo today bambay yumi save lukim or man place lo yumi lo Australia lo save participate lo referendum lo today. Also mo yumi bin plan lem. Talem thank you lo kita or big man yumi lo I commission with them consul lo Vanuatu lo Australia where we been tried lo last few weeks, look months, lo make sure say all information and make us all people do me will stop to Australia. And thank you to lo Labor Department where me became people are walk through, lo pass through lo get the companies, lo let them man Vanuatu where you work inside the companies in Australia, lo li sabe get chance lo li participate lo referendum long today. So Mumbai you me still good, but you me giving you me all update. Lo get a different activities where me stap hapen lo Australia. And Mumbai member me come out biking lo today time si Mumbai you me so very important them all get a people bring me only come lo li me came vote lo gata. So you me sabe si lo Australia me polling station lo no stap ko sap lo gata. But you me believe say work preparation you been going plan even is pro make sure say you me encourage people to come vote. Most of the time you me officers of government you me come look around look lo referendum poll day lo today you me fully equipped finish lo sabe let them activity and take place today lo this foreign land where me Australia.
Thank you, Antoine. Lo update where you survey give him straight lo Australia, lo survey wanem now stop go ahead, blow you me survey help him back you me where you me stop for them coverage play me, blow you me survey say I mean not only today we bambay you me Australia go through the election, but you got some more days yet to stop. So I mean good blow you me stop go ahead blow follow page blow me blow survey update lo get the information we stop go ahead blow you me lo Australia. You me out lo Australia, you me come back again lo Vanuatu. You may come go down lo south lo island lo Futuna lo Tafea province lo Blesia since we polling station and me open lo 7:30 lo morning and me been cut one good fla response participation lo community lo morning ya we lo came say for them report we come lo AA area administrator lo you me lo Futuna island iso ni May and me tell them say over lo 100 people lo been go finish start lo 7:30 lo morning lo li cast them all vote lo kita outlaw kita 100 people ya you make at o kita with them disability ka 3 people where li save ko exercise them right wal kita you make at all wala people too with 2 elderly wal kita too li make them way wal kita li ko custom vote wal kita so all kita people li stop go ahead mo kat good response lo side primilo island lo Futuna wali save statem mo look save importance pro mass ko vote pro save decide them wanem na future lo country where you me want them lo tomorrow. So you apart lehemia you make at two one young fella where me first time lo vote where him two me take part lo kita vota where li been go through lo polling station lo you me lo island lo Futuna lo li save make him putum vote lo kita. So sale hemia mi small update where you me save kat finish lo island lo Futuna.
Yes,
well, today morning.
You tell them thank you. Look at every administrators will continue to assist him. You give information mobile more lo hemia, but you miss have a cut lo next panel we stop come or the next updates we stop come as we go through lo polling day hemia lot today 29 May 2024. And just before me feel I end them up, we'll get updates here, but you make a short break and after the break, by me feel I come back.
All beginning belong you, all is stop school yet? All beginning belong you, all is start work finish? One day, time you no more stop. You think it's a beginning belong you, but him stop good? You must sabe se future blong bigni blong you. Emi stap blong hand blong you. Long 29 May 2024, emi time blong you must vote. From future, blong ol bigni blong country ya. Vote blong you, emi voice blong you.
Vote lo yumi future lo yu hemi information lo yumi subtraim lo talem out lo yumi everyone and also yumi pintalem earlier on say hemi no all time yumi kat kind election also me. Think about Vanuatu today by hemi kat 44 years mo hemi first time where Torres kasema naitrum is that give him ting blehem low one law or low one Chinese blow mama blow yumi we stop inside or parliament hemi been make him Chinese lem finish and this national referendum hemi come for them wanem no more constitution blow country hemi allow Lo yumi ko tulhem, make use lehem and make him sure see ko custom vote lo you. Ko yusum national ID card lo you. And Olivia meeting say me very important. The people only must come in blow only looks have importance. See cat showers lol some places, but also me tell them 29 May 2024 he may come one time no more.
Yes, we miss talem say today. Also government nami declare him semi public holiday. I mean no blow yumi kolokaren or yumi kolosolota. Pay opportunity blow you save ko exercise some right blow you ko custom vote blow you from tomorrow blow country Mr. Lohan blow you me 1-1. So use some ID card blow you same all time by me like come back blow talem say use some ID card blow you blow save ko kolol polling station blow me blow save custom vote. So I mean important too blow you me save wanem polling station or list up kolol save place blow me so by you me save ko through lehem blow you me save help them all kita voters blow me blow li understand them moli save location all different polling station blow me will list up kolol save blow me especially all time also we Mr. control them day today.
Yes, and you meeting about say me also one normal election too, one normal election and minimum say proxy too he me allow. It been cut get the deadlines where Vanuatu Electoral Commission and been declare him the site the proxy and the cut get the people where only stop vote the proxy and him to him some look at something where you may still survey or you still survey happen on different polling stations play you me. Government through law Prime Minister have been announced him say cut on total law call us up 75 observers work at two only stop all different polling station across Vanuatu and all observers say only okata will come overseas okata will represent them all different places overseas and two here in Vanuatu will have stop two different polling stations witness them or come in plus stop also observer inside this the first ever national referendum and think about suppose you not sure one employee make him no time blow vote or one them now he may all Chinese blow lawyer still you save ko show up on polling station by long polling station or you save stop standby plus have system you help him you explain him all thing you you save ko custom vote you long today and the morning you look plantel is a tramp check him now say which one the nearest polling station call us up place where me stop them you may save ko vote so by no long time by you may come in you may saw him and me some of the polling stations especially long you may lo Port Villa and two Long Island blow Fatima to Hemelo Luganville Long Island blow Santo blow you may save come in blow save help him you may blow save so Olivia emana hemil get the different polling stations lo Port Villa first one me agriculture school me believe hemi lo Anglican church now we stop long Taka Bay and then you may continue with them XFOL Navla polling station you will stop Colosap lo town hall hemi on long municipal lo town and two you make a Dampia Hall and also lo Chiefs Nakamal.
Sale mi kambak lo blisa lo talem no mo lo site lo Dampia Hall ya you make at polling station o gata wali stavo lo Dampia Hall o li move ko town lo hall lo PMC church. Yes. So lo blisa mi polling station whereby you serve and suppose you go to one place where you look I mean usually you stop ko vote but you look say I mean close or not that. You must inquire or find out where place na nearest one but already you may try and help him you may block him you may lo site you may lo Port Villa Dambia Hall me inokat pe only move only Yusum Hall blow church blow you may lo PMC blow only save go vote so I may stop go ahead finish today lo morning Yumi ka Chiefs Nakamal, well kita live around Chiefs Nakamal o number 3, only sabi vote lo way 2. Number school, I missed up also 1 polling station. Villa North School, yumi lo numia, I missed up on hold yet. Yumi no election, I mean no been sabi taken place lo today yet, for the situation we stop happen lo ground. Yumi ka 2 lo kita lo NTM, where only stop also 1 narpla polling station where yumi sabe ko custom vote yumi we mi stop live around lo area lo Akatis lo Takape. So lo list plo yumi lo
This list may continue yet, but
Yes.
you happen say out lo screen, but continue long follow mo get updates plo yumi long page plo yumi plo find mo navla list plo navla polling station where you stop inside lo constituency plo yumi lo Port Villa. Now you should cut constituency plo yumi lo Efate constituency plo yumi lo Efate cut all different polling stations. But mi askem team plo take out map, please put list plo polling station lo screen. List plo polling station plo Efate rural constituency. One constituency, but you meet them polling stations lo island lo Efate. And my 2 some kata polling stations. Suppose you stop lo Teuma or you stop lo Beverly Hills or you stop lo Plaksan, Milukin Planto li stop en kwa, kata lo Platinio li stop en kwa. Ikat polling station lo Plaksan 2 isave ko custom vote pli lehem and tu ikat navla polling stations pa ken across le Efate. And tu ikat hema lo Luganville lo Island lo Santo, ikat the different polling stations inside lo Luganville where you save ko custom vote pli lehem and you misave se lo Luganville, you got of course you got Shapi and also you got Hemelo District Commissioner, you got Lo Santo Youth Center and two you got Sarakata Primary School and also Lo Town Hall and also Ecole Public with them San Michel, Motu Solway Kindergarten and to Shapi Stadium with them Lo Agriculture College, Kamewa Primary School with them San Michel B and two you got Hemelo Island Lo Aure, you got 2 polling stations. Hemelo Aure High School with them Hemelo Church Lingi Saitikam lo Luganville. So Hemena all polling stations lo Luganville. So suppose you one citizen where you live around long area lo place here where you want them to vote. Hemena list lo polling stations where by Savi help me to find them which one now hemi kolosap lo you can cast them vote.
So pa yumi talem se lol normal polling station where you mista kat all time lol election lo yumi emista government emi adem up some new polling station lo allow them say everyone you where you stop lo one place where you may need lo you may vote. Government may allocate one place too. You may have a custom vote. You may through all polling station will list it up, especially lo national referendum election day today.
Yes, thank you. You were you just or you stop for them update them. Tell them thank you lo company you and wishing me one good fella time, good fella voting, happy election day lo day plo today. Think about them public holiday and by me fly come back to you lo medal day today. Plo giving you one navla update lo site lo election lo this fla first ever national referendum and think about vote play me important and choice play you and me or vote play you and me voice play you.
So man, what to move now, yeah. Time the voice and bright long you